Have you ever wondered why sometimes your home feels heavy, tense, or filled with unexplained negativity, even when everything seems fine? Mufti Menk reveals that the reason might be something you've unknowingly kept inside your home. Certain objects can silently invite misfortune and block Allah's blessings, affecting your peace and happiness. In this video, we'll uncover what these items are and how they can spiritually harm your household. Stay with us till the end, because understanding this could change the energy of your home and bring back the divine peace and baraka you've been missing. Many people unknowingly keep objects in their homes that invite negativity and block the flow of blessings. In Islam, our homes are meant to be places of peace, remembrance, and divine mercy, yet certain items can disrupt that tranquility. Objects such as idols, statues, or decorative figures resembling living beings are discouraged because they resemble symbols of shirk and can drive angels away. Even if they are kept merely for decoration or art, their spiritual effect can be harmful. Additionally, items connected to false beliefs, such as talismans, good luck charms, or objects believed to ward off evil, carry traces of superstition that weaken one's faith in Allah's power. When we depend on such things for safety or success, we unconsciously place our trust in creation rather than the Creator. This subtle form of shirk invites negativity and distances divine protection. Islam teaches that everything in a believer's home should reflect purity and faith. By removing these doubtful or spiritually tainted items, we cleanse not only our environment but also our hearts. A home free from forbidden symbols becomes a place where angels reside, prayers are accepted, and Allah's blessings flow abundantly, creating true peace and harmony within. Mufti Menk often emphasizes that a Muslim's home should be a reflection of their faith, a place filled with light, remembrance, and peace. He reminds us that Islam calls for purity not only in our actions but also in our surroundings. When we allow objects or symbols that contradict Islamic teachings into our homes, we unintentionally invite spiritual harm. These could include symbols of other religions, mystical figures, or items tied to false beliefs and superstitions. Such things can influence the atmosphere of a home, creating restlessness, tension, or an unexplained heaviness in the heart. According to Mufti Menk, maintaining a spiritually clean home means being conscious of what we bring inside. Just as we keep our homes physically clean, we must also purify them from anything that carries un-Islamic meaning or energy. Surrounding ourselves with Quranic reminders, Islamic calligraphy, and words of dhikr helps transform the home into a place of serenity and divine presence. Mufti Menk encourages believers to make their homes a space where angels descend and blessings remain, achieved through faith, remembrance of Allah, and avoidance of anything displeasing to Him. A home aligned with these principles becomes a true sanctuary of peace and baraka. Islam strongly warns against any form of superstition or reliance on objects for protection or fortune. Believing that a charm, amulet, or symbol can bring luck or keep away harm goes against the essence of Tawheed, the belief that only Allah has control over all things. Many people wear or display items such as the evil eye, blue beads, or metallic symbols thinking they offer safety, yet this belief subtly shifts trust from Allah to creation. It is a dangerous trap that weakens one's spiritual connection and opens the door to shirk, even if done unintentionally. True protection and success come only from Allah through sincere faith, dua, and righteous actions. The Prophet ﷺ taught that reciting the Qur'an, making adhkar, and maintaining regular prayers are far more powerful than any object. When one fully relies on Allah, their heart feels secure and their life is surrounded by divine protection. Islam encourages Muslims to seek refuge in Allah through Surah Al-Falaq, Surah An-Nas, and Ayatul Kursi, not through man-made symbols. By abandoning all forms of superstition, a believer strengthens their iman and earns Allah's mercy, ensuring that their protection is pure, powerful, and truly blessed. Spiritual purification is essential for maintaining peace, harmony, and divine blessings within a home. It goes beyond physical cleanliness and focuses on cleansing the unseen energies that affect our hearts and environment. When a believer removes objects or influences that displease Allah, they create space for serenity and light to enter. This act of purification is not just about discarding material items but also about renewing one's spiritual intention and connection with the Creator. A purified home radiates tranquility. It becomes a place where hearts feel calm, prayers flow easily, and family bonds strengthen. Regularly reciting Qur'an, engaging in dhikr, and maintaining a pure environment help invite the presence of angels. Moreover, spiritual purification drives away negativity and evil influences that often bring arguments, anxiety, or hardship. It transforms the atmosphere from one of heaviness to one of hope and positivity. The process also serves as a reflection of the believer's inner state. As the home becomes cleaner in faith, the soul too becomes lighter and more peaceful. By consistently purifying one's surroundings for the sake of Allah, a person ensures that their dwelling remains filled with divine mercy, barakah, and a sense of spiritual comfort that no worldly possession can provide. Purifying the home begins with sincere intention and consistent action. Islam teaches that a believer should regularly fill their surroundings with the remembrance of Allah, as dhikr drives away negativity and invites tranquility. One of the most effective ways to cleanse a home spiritually is by reciting the Qur'an daily. Even a few verses bring immense peace and protection. Surahs such as Al-Baqarah are particularly powerful, as the Prophet ﷺ mentioned that evil cannot enter a house where it is recited. Maintaining cleanliness and order is another vital step. A tidy, fresh environment reflects a believer's inner discipline and invites barakah. Lighting a pleasant fragrance, keeping the prayer area pure, and avoiding loud or inappropriate content all contribute to a spiritually uplifting atmosphere. Regular prayers performed within the home turn it into a sanctuary of worship, not just a dwelling place. It's also beneficial to begin each morning and evening with dhikr, remembering Allah upon waking and before sleeping guards the home from unseen harm. When family members collectively engage in these acts, unity and peace grow stronger. Over time, the home becomes illuminated with divine presence, where angels dwell and every heart finds contentment under Allah's mercy. When a home is free from forbidden objects and filled with remembrance, it becomes a source of comfort and spiritual strength for everyone living within it. Such a home radiates calmness, the kind that soothes the heart after a long, tiring day. Family members feel a natural sense of love, patience, and understanding because divine mercy fills the space. This peaceful atmosphere is not accidental, it is the result of conscious effort to align one's environment with faith and obedience to Allah. A home blessed with barakah becomes a refuge from worldly chaos. It nurtures the soul, strengthens iman, and encourages acts of kindness and gratitude. When Allah's presence is felt in the household, small blessings multiply, sustenance flows with ease, relationships flourish, and hardships become easier to bear. Even guests who enter such a place can sense the tranquility that words cannot describe. This state of peace is a gift from Allah, promised to those who live with sincerity and remembrance. By maintaining a spiritually pure home, believers not only protect themselves from evil but also cultivate an environment that continuously inspires faith, reflection, and closeness to the Creator, turning everyday living into a form of silent worship. Subhanallah, a pure home brings endless blessings and peace to the heart. Let's make our homes places where angels dwell and Allah's mercy flows. If you found this reminder beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Profound Deen for more inspiring Islamic content. May Allah fill your home with light, love, and protection. Ameen. Comment below this beautiful prayer. Ya Allah, fill my home with your blessings and remove all negativity.